It has very humble credentials and origins. After all, it is completely made out of junk. So here's the man behind the wheels of this Gokart, Ashwani Bhardwaj, an engineering student from Aligarh Muslim University.
Well, actually, it is a prerequisite for a final year BTech project. We are supposed to make something which inculcates the entire knowledge of a 4 years BTech course. That's why I started out designing a car. But because the go-kart was cheaper, that's why we decided on this thing. Go-kart is a very upcoming thing. Even our own Narayan Karthikeyan has started his career on a go-kart. The project consumes different steps, which are pre-design, designing, analysis, frame design, material selection, and getting the different parts, and then the assembly and fabrication.
But to derive this from pure waste needs innovation at a totally different level, especially if you're building a car from parts of a scooter. Sporty, classy, good-looking car of your dreams. Well, it's none of that. But its 150cc engine will give you a top speed of 60 km per hour. The Kart runs on a 2T petrol mix used in scooters. Its chassis is based on the structure of a ladder. It has 4 gears and is truly different, as a revolving gear of a scooter has been converted into a car gear.
But my other friends were also heavily involved in the entire stuff. One of my friends was the one who had contacts in Mayapuri and this Indian scrap yard, and he was supposed to get us all the entire stuff we had. The tires, the engine, this fire extinguisher we have manipulated into a petrol tank, this gear shift so that we could control it, we could control the gear changing, and our very small rack and pinion arrangement of steering system, the Maruti steering, the collapsible column.
The young engineer hopes that his innovation will help train future racers. If you are wondering why even build a car out of trash, the answer is simple: to cut costs.
Well, there were cost factors as well as factors regarding the changing of the entire mechanism. We didn't want to repeat something which is being done over and over again. If we reproduce this entire thing again on an assembly line, this will cost us something like 12,000. But we had to spend something like 30,000.
If you ever manage to get into the driver's seat of this one, it may well be the cheapest car to hit the roads.